Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to change the group description in WhatsApp on your PC. It's a simple process that can help you provide important information or updates to your group members. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Go to the group you have created, where you are an admin. Step 3. Click on the group name to access the group overview. Step 4. In the Overview tab, next to the current description, press on the pen icon. Step 5. Type in the new description that you want to set for your group. Once you're done, simply save the changes, and the new group description will be updated for all the members to see. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the group description in WhatsApp on your PC. It's a quick and easy way to keep your group members informed and engaged. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting on WhatsApp.